Hey friends, so you remember that awesome SpaceX launch, right? So I made some calculations, and the next time the Tesla Roadster will intercept the Mars orbit, there will be a close encounter at 24 light seconds. And that day will be on the 9th of October 2020. Here. I actually made an app for that. Now the blue dot here is the Earth, and there's a tiny red dot on top of it, which is the Tesla. Now we're looking at the future. So that's 1 year for the Earth. And that's the second year for the Earth. And look at the Mars and the Tesla orbits. They're really synced here, and they will have their encounter on the 9th of October 2020, which I propose to do a big party. So we can do this party in wherever country we are. And remember that the Tesla was launched on the Falcon Heavy last week, which was the 6th of February 2018. Great party, guys. So, if you want to do that party, thumbs up and comment below. Thank you, guys.
This is the best-selling show. It's a live